Hey everybody, it's Jake for Bullshit Corner. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to smoke Cuban cigars. We're going to strip down a Honda VTEC engine. Many people have asked, where do you get your knowledge from? How do you learn? The easiest way to learn or to get a basic understanding of how an engine works is to take it apart, see how it's all put together, research, read, learn how it all functions, and that'll give you a basic understanding, and that will help you in the long run on troubleshooting your vehicle. Alright, so let's have a look at this engine. This fucking VTEC engine is pretty small, 4-cylinder. It's hard to believe that an engine this small can fucking propel a car. So, it's already half stripped apart. Neighbor had it in his garage, he was just gonna scrap it, so he said I could have it. So, it's an overhead cam. You can see your camshaft up top here. It's not bolted in or anything anymore, so I'm gonna pull the belt off and then we're gonna rip the head off of her. I mean, just looking at the camshaft itself, apparently the engine has a knock, so it's most likely a crankshaft bearing, a main bearing or something, or maybe a piston or something screwed up. But anyways, look at the camshaft here. The camshaft itself's in pretty good shape still. I mean, there's no apparent wearing or scoring. There doesn't appear to be any broken springs on the cylinder head, so let's go ahead. We're going to take the head off and have a look at the pistons. So here's the reverse side of the head, 4 valves per cylinder. And there's quite a bit of frickin' carbon in there, even on the pistons. There's quite a bit of fucking carbon. Interesting design for the cooling. The way it goes through like this, it's all open, water goes through, comes up in the heads, circulates back around. I like that, it's interesting. Yeah, if you were to bust your fucking cylinder wall, man, you'd fill it up full of coolant and fucking hydrolock it pretty darn quick. Alright, so now we've got the Honda VTEC engine flipped upside down. We're going to remove the oil pan, and that's going to expose the crankshaft and the connecting rods. Alright, so here's the underside of the VTEC engine. There's your oil pump strainer from your sump. It'll suck it up. Pump will be right inside here. Pump it throughout all the journals and the bearings. This would be your crankcase cage here. And between every bolt here, there should be a bearing. And this piece here is to keep your crankshaft in place, keep it straight, keep it from bending. Gives the engine integrity and strength. So let's rip this bitch apart and fucking let's see what the bearings look like. Alright, so I removed this piece, and you can look at the bearing journals right here, and you can just see like how scored they are. So it's no wonder the engine was knocking. These crankshaft bearings have shit the fucking bed. You can see in the crankshaft itself, the evidence speaks for itself. The fucking crank has some severe wear. So now I'm gonna remove all the bearing caps. We're gonna pull those off, and then we're gonna separate the oil pump from the front. And then I think the back might separate too. We're going to figure that out, and we're going to rip the crankshaft out. Alright, so here's the oil pump assembly. Once you remove all the bolts from the outside, you can pull off the pulley on the front. I just used a hammer and beat it till it came off because this engine's scrap. I think I might take apart that as well to have a look at the oil pump inside. Apparently there's still some oil in the engine. Fuck me, got a leak. So now I'm going to flip the engine over again and see what we can do with the backside to get this crank out. Holy shit, I've never worked on a Honda engine before, but fuck, that's the water pump. I can see if your water pump ever went, that'd be pretty costly to fucking change out, but the impeller's metal, so that's good. It's got a seal. Basically, the only thing that's going to wear out is your bearing, and probably got a mechanical seal in there as well. Otherwise the water pump should last a long time, but interesting. Alright, so now that I flipped it around, if I remove these 4 bolts here, I should be able to smash that fucking crankshaft out. So that's the bitch right there that caused the engine to knock. Look at that fucking bearing, or should I say what's left of it. I had a hard time trying to get that bearing cap off. It was like it's fucking welded on the engine. You can see the crank right here where it was. Look how fucking scored it is. Black. Fucking burnt black. Fuck, let's pound those pistons out now. Alright, now we're gonna try to get a good look at this. Look at that. Look at that fucking bearing. Or should I say what's left of it? There's no bearing left. The bearing fucking disintegrated on this. You can see that one there. The bearing's out of it, but the bearing's out of this one, but still in pretty good shape. And here's the cap. Look at that. Look at that. No fucking bearing left. Or if it is, it's fucking like welded in there now. So that's what killed this Honda VTEC engine. Look at this piston. This piston is smaller than the ones in my Sea-Doo. Fuck me. Can't believe something that small can power a car. Well, let's see if we can get these screws out for the oil pump and see what makes her tick. So your oil sump comes in here as the positive displacement pump is turning. It's going to start opening, it's going to start sucking the oil, and then as it travels through, the oil is going to go into these cavities here. And then as these start to close up, it pushes the oil through, and that's how it gets its pressure. This is a positive displacement pump, so if you ran it with no oil, it'd only take a matter of seconds to destroy this pump. You not only see these pumps in gasoline or diesel engines, but hydraulic pumps, a lot of hydraulic pumps are the same setup, just a larger version. Positive displacement georotor pump. Anyways, I'm going to leave my video at this. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and fuck it, beer time.